back to the business. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it. Yeah. Walk, 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 walk. I walk, 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 walk. We walk. Whoa, I was chasing my glory, then fell asleep. Woke me up and told me to go feed the sheep. Sent me deep in the streets just to bring them peace. Yeah, we be where them blickies be busting, where they end your life with no discussion. But as soon as they see the light rushing, they know that the Lord walking with us, no bluffing. People say that I'm fake, I'm like, okay. Do you walk in the light or you throw shade? 1 more sex on my skin, I got no shame. We was preaching about Jesus before fame. Get it? Dig that. On my side, yeah, he been that. That's the devil where my sins at. On the cross, cause he pinned that. Big throne where he sits at. That hit him, then he hit back. Resurrected, yeah, that's big facts. Told us hold it down till he get back. Get back to the business. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it. Yeah, walk with me. Step in the scene with the fly, had to keep it so steady, don't fall for the fights. Had to cut out the session, he got in the crop. Hold up, spiritual weapons when miracles happen. I'm never surprised cause it got. Ain't serving no Hannah Montana, ain't switching my banner like David, we swinging the rock. We kicking this beating, why serve you sure, even if it mean I'm bleeding. Come kill my flesh, my soul still breathing. Speak through me, yeah, yeah. This heart keep beating, these lungs keep singing.
Okay.
Come and step into the kingdom, for the ones mistreated. To the day we see them, this feel like the moment we seeking the day we
all
can
right.
see up the one to get freedom to walk.
What up, everyone? Welcome in. Welcome. Yeah.
We walk, get back to
how y'all feeling? Good to be back. Good to be back. All right, let's roll. Greenery's in the house. What up, Green? What's good? What's good? What's good? Hope you guys are doing well. Game time. Game time. Game time. Yes, our Energy's in the house. What up, Energy? We walk. We walk. How y'all feeling? How's everyone doing? Good to see you guys. Good to see you guys. What up, Pia Magnifico? Yo, yo. Energy in the house. Only Bands. Mr. Green. Eric P. What's goody? What's up, Mr. Lopez? Stevie Mac. Engineer 14 is in the build. What up, Futures Frank? Zyper's in the house. What up, Zyper? Z Gamer is in the building. Heck yeah. What up, Arrow Sassy? Louis G in the house. What up, Louis G? What's up, Hero of the Day? What's up, everyone? Welcome in. Happy CPI Day, Zoom. Happy CPI Day. Hope you guys are doing well. Good morning, good afternoon,
Recording
good evening.
In progress.
What's up, Bear Berry? What up, Ronnie? What up, Cobra? Sergio. Mr. B Profits. What's happening? What's happening, everyone? How you guys doing? Let me share my screen here. Let's whip out the tools. The tools. Let me get this link over to the clubhouse. Walk with me, man. Walk. Walk with me. Step by step here, chat. Step by step. We got news coming out. I've already taken my news before CPI, so I won't be taking any positions before CPI today, outside of the one that I've already taken. So let's go here. Beautiful trade taken in London. We'll go over that in a few minutes. Let me just get the Zoom link out. All right, cool. All right, we good. We are good. Green, how you feeling? Good morning, bro. What's up, AB Box? Where's Rafi? Where's Rafi? Rafi might be in the house today. We'll have to wait and see. Clubhouse is making their moves, making their way in, so we'll see if Rafi's one of them today. All right, cool. I think we're good. Bam. We're good. Let me lower the music a little bit. What's up, Clubhouse? Good morning, winners. Good morning, champions. All right, let's get the party started. Let me lower this a little bit. Let's pray. That's a great idea, PM Magnifico. Let's go ahead and pray. And then we will begin here. Father in heaven, let's just, man, I'm just super grateful to be here, man. So let's just give thanks for that, and let's get the party started today. Father in heaven, man, we thank you, Lord. We just thank you that we have just your presence among us, Lord. We thank you for everything you have done through this stream, through this community, within this community. We see your hand at work, and we recognize it. We recognize it publicly, and we give you the glory for it, Lord. We thank you for all the victory that's taken place and the struggle, because we know that great struggle leads to great victory. We know that the word says that the trials are to test our quality, Lord. So we thank you for them. We thank you for making us quality individuals and quality spirits, Lord, and we just give you all the glory for it. We ask that you would bless this session here today and take it over, Lord. We thank you and we give you the glory in Jesus' name. Amen. Amen. Man, God is good all the time. The work is being done. The work is being done. Lovely, lovely, lovely stuff this year so far. Do you find it better to trade in London or New York? Nah, it's you know, every day is a little different. So sometimes the moves are in London, sometimes they're in New York. So I'll take them either way. I don't discriminate. I don't discriminate. Let's throw a zoom in. There you go, guys. We got music now. And let's begin here. So today is February 12th. It is another day, another opportunity for us to be patient, disciplined, 8-figure traders and think like professionals, right? We do have some heavy news coming in here at 8:30 here. You got red folders, CPI coming in. So we will get the inflation report today, and we'll see what happens there. I love seeing this, man. So, you know, like President Trump speaks. That's just like a red folder event at this point. So gotta love seeing that back in the headlines here in Forex Factory. Whether you like the guy or not, he moves the markets, man. He shakes them up, and we appreciate that. We appreciate the volume and the volatility, and that's going to help us here. So that did happen last night, but, you know, it's pretty cool to see all that happening again. But yeah, so CPI is the big one here for us today. You got crude oil inventories a little bit later on for any of you guys that trade crude oil, and that is about it. Yeah, so that's all we really have to have a look out on for today. Stay away from 8:30 for the most part, and everything else is pretty clean. So let's go ahead and do a fresh top-down analysis here. How's the music? Let me know how the music is, and if you guys haven't liked the stream yet, give the stream a like, but let me know about this music, and let me know quickly. Rafi's here. Music is fire. It's good. Rafi is here. Rafi, they're looking for you today, brother. They're looking for you. I'm gonna lower it just a little bit. All right, just so we all good. Okay, cool. Let's do a fresh top-down analysis here on gold, and let's see what we can come up with here. So yesterday we did close bearish. You know, we did expect that candle to close bearish yesterday, especially after this bullish candle here closing with no top wick, right? Once you pretty much began to break the lows on the daily yesterday, you began to push down, and then we end up closing bearish there, right? So we do have an official resistance here. We don't know how long or whatever that resistance will last. I mean, every single other time, look, we made resistance, boom, push through. Made resistance, push through, boom. So we'll see what happens here. If this could be one that actually gets us moving down or not. We can see that there's no, let me get the arrow. There's no current wick on the top of that candle, right? So we don't, we don't know if that's because we've got so much bearish pressure and want to move down, or now that we have filled this wick here, will the daily candle want to start moving up, right? And then kind of do just like this candle did last time, or this candle did, right? Where we just ended up moving and continuing bullish there. So gold is dangerous right now, right? So you got to really be careful. We're gonna really let the lower time frames guide us here today while we're in these all-time highs. So let's take a look at this 4-hour chart here. So you've been moving down now, right? On the 4-hour, you're starting to kind of trend down. You've got these nice little trend going, but we're running into this area here, right? This overall zone. You got a rejection out of that 4-hour candle already, and we want to see what we do right here, you know, somewhere in here. You got a lot of wicks from over here, a lot of wicks from over here, same deal, a couple rejections. So we just want to really see how price wants to react in that overall zone there. Now, we did break the lows already here on the 4-hour, right? So if we re-break them, yeah, you do have clean traffic to the left, so you could see a nice push down here. So let's take a look at the 1-hour real quick. 1-hour did close bullish, so you do have support. Below that support, you got clean range to the left, right? You do have a 1-hour zone here, which I would say this range is probably, you got like 75 pips left in that range there. So 30-minute also closed strong bullish. Let's take a look at the 15. I think the 15 also, yeah, 15 also closed strong bullish here. So you do have closures, you do have breakouts, and you do have clean range. Now, the only thing that's standing in front of us here is CPI, right? So you got a major red folder. So for those of you guys that want to take your positions here, go right ahead. I'm going to wait on this 30-minute closure. I'm going to see how the news comes out here, and then I will go about my business. So yeah, that's pretty much it today. We were kind of chopping around this 15-minute range here real quick. Looks like we just broke out, and now we'll see. If price wants to run here, I don't really mind that much. I'm going to wait for the news and then see if we can attack. But good trade yesterday. We also did take another good trade in London here today, so a nice buy position. You had a pretty steep rejection to the downside here, right? You kind of continue to remain above this zone. Last time you closed above, you pushed up, right? We were kind of looking for this really, this candle kind of turned around pretty quickly, this bullish candle here, because what we really wanted to see on these buys was something where this candle closed like that, all right, like something like this, and then get a fake out here. So that way we get a better entry, right? Lower entry here. But that never happened. So we kind of wanted to get something like this, where you had a nice push up from down here, so that way price could retest the highs there. But yeah, that candle actually ended up pulling back and being the one to close bullish. So that was nice. We were kind of in this bullish move here, right? So we didn't do anything after this though. You know, we kind of came up here and just rejected the highs here. So that was it. I mean, it was like 30 pips and good to go. So that was it. That was the only trade I took here today, and now we'll see what happens post CPI and see if we can get some more opportunity. Yeah, what'd you guys do? Did you guys do anything in London? Anything at all? What up, Sandman? What's goody? What's goody? What up, Maiko? Futures, yeah. No trades yet? All right, good. Took the same trade. Let's go. W. Took the onion on the 30-minute. Let's see. Yeah, I see what you're saying. Yeah, this one. Nice. Good trade. Really good. Celery on the 15. Yeah, you did have some opportunities here. I wasn't at the desk or anything yet. I was getting ready for the stream and at the gym and what up, Sam? Ecom Dre is in the house. Your ears must have been ringing for like the last couple weeks, bro, because we always like, yo, we miss Ecom Dre. Where is he? Where is he? And yo, you know what's the craziest thing ever? This wild actually. Raja said your name the other day or something like that, right? I randomly jumped on his stream and the dude was saying something about Ecom Dre. And then that same exact day, like some other people over here said something about Ecom Dre. I'm like, man, I miss Ecom Dre. It's my dog. Hey, how'd your move go and all that, bro? By the way, Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Hope you're well. Yeah, I know you were moving. Yeah, you don't want to focus too much on trading when you're making a big move like that. Plus, you also got to find like you're moving countries, you're probably switching like ways of making money. It's a lot, so you gotta take some time. What up, Janosch? Yeah, PM Magnifico mentioned. Yeah, I remember. Yeah, but nah, I randomly jumped on Raja's stream and I heard him saying something about Ecom Dre. I'm like, word? Let's go. Yeah, two people from the community moved out of Bali, man. Ecom Dre and Rafi this year. Wait, were you in? No, you weren't in Bali. Where were we at again? Indonesia? I forget. Thailand. Right? Are we trading gold? Yeah, we're trading gold. Yep. The Philippines. One of those awesome islands over there. I think it was the Philippines. China. Japan. Somewhere over there. Yeah. Get settled, man. Get settled in. Don't rush the process. Trust the process. All right, let's take a look at NQ here real quick. And then we'll chill out till news. We got news in about 16, 17 minutes here. So our daily candle didn't move up, right? So it did kind of pull back yesterday, but it never did flip bullish, right? So NQ is beginning to struggle a little bit in this overall zone, right? We also, if we kind of look left, we also have more resistance in this level. We have rejections here, previous rejections and all that. So, you know, you may struggle for a day or two until we get some nice candle printing. I think today could be that day with CPI coming in here. So let's take a look at the 4 hour. The 4 hour is moving on up. You do have a nice little break at the high here, so potential opportunity to fill this wick, right? So the 4 hour is about halfway through right now. So let's take a look at the 1 hour. 1 hour closing bullish right at resistance, eh? Yeah. Let's take a look at this 30 minute. Yeah, it's tough. Daily's in a tough spot here on NQ right now. Yeah, we don't know what we want to do here, but we do see that none of the highs are breaking, right? So the previous daily candle did close bearish, therefore I am going to have a bit of a bearish bias here. So if that 1 hour candle can end up closing bear, like back below the range here, I think these sells are looking pretty good, man. You got clean traffic coming down, and yeah. So a good closure, a good 30-minute, 1 hour closure, I think is going to help us out here. I know the 4 hour is bullish, but again, we are coming up into this range. We may just pull back. I mean, look at this 4 hour candle here. So that 4 hour candle was just as bullish as this one now, and it ended up driving down and closing bearish, right? So tough range here on NQ to go long. So we'll have to see if we reject or if we, you know, push through here. But rejections look good. 1 hour closures back below look pretty fire on NQ. And that would set up a nice like 1 hour onion play, something like this. Take some sells coming down, close partials right here, full TP somewhere down in these ranges, and see if we get there. See if NQ got what it takes. I don't like buys here. I know the 4 hours bullish, but there's nothing for me on the lower time frame until we probably get above. Yeah, this this 1 hour resistance here. Yeah, but sells are looking a little bit better too, with that daily being bearish and maybe rejecting out of this area here. We'll see. We'll see. It's hard to stop the bullish momentum. What's up, Noah? How are you, man? Appreciate that, bro. Appreciate that. What up, AB Mike? Who's running the casino in a few? Anyone? Anyone buy stops, sell stops, risking any accounts? What you guys got going on? In it to win it or what? Let me pull up Zoom over here. See who we got with us today. What up, everyone? What up, Bryce, my man? Nice hat, bro. I like the hat. What up, Rafi's in the house. Hero of the day, OGH. AB Meister. Congrats, OGH, on passing your combine. Big W, brother. Big W. See that? After that little light red day, something light. Walks right into victory after that. Yeah, if you guys are doing well and you guys are passing your funded challenges and all that, come on over to we have a free Discord for those of you guys that don't know. Come on over to the prop firm funded all that this channel here and post your victory. We would love to celebrate you. This is just over the last 24 hours here. You got some traders getting funded here with Top Step, which is nice. Yeah, last week or so, the month has been stacked. A lot of people really getting funded here. So, you know, consistency is paying off. You know, this is all this month here. So, great job to all you guys that are handling business, conducting business in a way that's professional and profitable. And that's all you got to do. That's all you got to do. And now you just do that forever. All right, don't let off the gas. Stay hungry. Got $5,000 payouts, almost 6K payouts. Shout out to Edson, man. So we're rocking here, man. We're rocking and rolling. Rocking and rolling. Love to see it. We love to see the wins. We're gonna put so we got a clubhouse profit or something. What is it again? Clubhouse. What is it? I forget. Clubhouse profits. But we're also gonna make a clubhouse red day channel. So that way we can share the wins and the losses. But yeah, you know, the performance in the clubhouse has been really well. I'm very, very proud of these guys and girls and just holding it together, you know, stacking green days and keeping the red days small. And, you know, that's what it's about here. So Jimmy, just crushing it, dude. Crushing. So keep up the great work, everyone. You guys are all doing a great job, and I'm very, very excited to be a part of this community and see, you know, where everyone goes, man. You know, you got a lot of big players coming out of this community here, and I'm excited to see it. Who didn't like the stream? Yeah, that's the question. That's the question. Yeah, sells below. What do you guys want to watch for CPI? You guys want to watch gold or NQ? Oh, yeah, Goldie, man. You gotta love it. Gotta love it. Bro, how did... That was fast. Gotta love it. Pre-news. Let's watch Raja. Is Raja on today? If Raja's on, we'll definitely peek over there. Are you in shorts? I'm not in shorts. I do like shorts though. These were the definitely looking for potential sells below here. But I'm waiting for the news, so this tends to happen all the time. Pre-news. Dun, dun, dun. All the buyers are in. All the buyers. Lured in right here. So that's why, like, the whole partial thing is key, especially before news. Man, you got like 15, 20. Be out of there. Watch Raja for news? I will watch him. Just watch your Playbook 2.0 video. You're welcome, my friend. You're welcome. And now that you know that, now you can just kind of dissect it within the markets on a day-to-day basis now, you know? So now you know the big, like, obvious concepts, and now you'll begin to trade them and learn them. And you know, if you're not seeing the best results right away, just don't worry, you know, make your tweaks, make your adjustments. That's going to be every system that you run into. You're going to learn it, but then you're going to have to learn it. Does that make sense? Like, you're going to learn how to do it, but then you're going to have to learn it. And that just takes chart time. You know, nothing could beat chart time. Pablo. Wow, look at this push down. Beautiful. I'm in pants. Yo, what up, Dan? What's up, Pat? Yo, yo. Yeah, this closure right here on the 15. How did we not see that? Last time we were looking at gold, it was bullish. But I wouldn't have taken that trade anyway. Just wouldn't take that before news. Where can I watch the playbook? You can go to the YouTube channel. Yeah, just go on this YouTube channel, go to videos, you'll see it. It'll be up there. It says the playbook 2.0. I forgot. If any of you guys are using TradeZella and you guys are looking to create a playbook within TradeZella and track your data that way, I just posted this video here. So this video should help you out if you're trying to get it done on TradeZella. I basically just explain the process. So yeah, if you want to make a playbook on TradeZella and have TradeZella track all your data like I do it over here, then I would highly recommend just checking this out. It's a quick video. It's like 6-7 minutes, and it'll teach you the whole process all the way through. Damn, what a bleeder here. I think they're pricing in the news. What do you guys think? They didn't let us peasants know beforehand. It's messed up, right? They never let the peasants know. Does Apex pay out? I've never used them, but they're like one of the most popular ones. They're like the number 1, number 2, number 3. I think they're somewhere in the top like 3. What up, Alan? Yo. You say gold buys coming in? What do you guys think? Gold buys, gold sells. You got big news. We got 6 minutes left on it. Let's take a look. You guys said Raja's on. Let's take a look. Let's watch a streamer, and then maybe he will watch another streamer. So then you guys could watch a streamer, watching a streamer, watch a streamer. And if anyone's a streamer watching my stream and you got people on your stream, wow, that's insane. Click. Yeah. Rafi, how we feeling, brother?
Yo, good morning, my brother. How are you?
What up, G? Nice new place. I like the look.
Yeah. We just moved to Airbnb. We're gonna be here for a little bit until we finalize a home.
Okay, dope.
Yeah, so now it's just like settled. So that's good.
Let's go.
How about
now
you?
You got a
how
spot
was
to
golfing?
Golfing was phenomenal, bro. Phenomenal. What a competitive game. Competitive. John was out
swinging a little bit.
Bro, John was out there playing good too yesterday, man. He's brought his game. Proud of him.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah, man, that's
yeah,
good.
we're snowed in today, bro.
Really?
Yeah. Expecting a foot
Sheesh.
out here, so.
Oh my
that'll be
God.
good. Yeah.
Well, that's beautiful. Nice
Yeah.
white day out there.
Mm-hmm.
Is it falling right
You'll
now?
see. I'll show you later.
Yeah. What were we doing before that?
What was I doing?
Raja, that's right.
Ah.
Completely forgot there. Look at this guy. I love when he goes live for this stuff.
And Trump is saying,
Damn, man. So,
let's see what we're gonna tweet today, huh, Elon?
Elon.
So, yeah, I think
wanna get-
I think we can continue to push up with this. I really think we can continue to push up with this. Look at this. You know, gold will fly. I really do believe gold will fly.
Gold
believe
will
that.
fly high. Don't try to stop the rain. Yeah. How much time do we have? 5 minutes? 5 minutes. We will revisit him in a few minutes. What up, Lights Fire? Yeah, man. So, your wifey got in good and all that? Safe travels, all done? Mr. Rafi? Wait, are you muted?
No.
Oh, okay, cool. Your wife flew in when? Last week, right?
Huh? Yeah.
Nice.
Last Friday.
Let's go.
So we went yesterday to the mall, man, buying clothes, you know, coats, stuff for the cold weather, and yeah.
You didn't bring no
8
coats
hours.
or anything from Bali?
Bro, I was there with very minimum clothing, bro, like shorts, t-shirts, you know.
Yeah, you don't even
Here,
wear
like, you
shirts
need,
over
like,
there.
Long john pants, coats. Yeah. Bikini coat.
Johnny Gems. Oh, Raja's already in buys. Oh, okay.
What's good, boys?
Jean
Johnny.
Van
Brothers,
Dan.
Nick, Rafi.
How
we
are you,
feeling?
bro?
Amazing, bro. Blessed and highly favored. Too
Oh,
blessed to be stressed. How you guys doing?
Too
Amazing,
blessed to
my
be
guy.
stressed.
Beautiful.
How you doing?
Rafi, my man, you're snowed in.
Yeah,
Snowed
I'll
in.
show you. I'll show you later, bro. It's not looking good.
It is what it is.
Hey, I'm sure it's looking great. It ain't looking good, it's looking great.
Yeah, exactly.
As long as you don't have to go out too much today, you're good.
Oh,
Big chillin'.
I'm gonna be
chilling.
doing work today, man. I'm excited about that.
He's gonna be
All
watching
day,
the
bro.
Playbook 2.0 video all day today, chat.
You know.
Study
on
day.
repeat.
Love it.
He's going to watch
What's
the
up, chat?
TT Clubhouse webinars.
What's up, everyone? How we feeling? Happy new trading day.
Excellent, Johnny Gems.
There. Another day to be patient and disciplined to the trading plan. Let's do it.
Pre-New York ranging a bit.
Yeah. Pre-New York was a little bit of a range game.
Little range game. All right, here we go. 2 minutes. Hold on, let's get Roger back up. Whoa, look at these
trying to
buys.
do is they're trying
He might
to
exit
show
before.
bad numbers. They showed bad numbers for NFP, which are manipulated, and I think they're trying to show bad numbers here now for CPI, and that bad numbers should push gold up, bullish. That's what I believe. You know, for that, the only reason I'm up and buys. You already have 25 pips. I don't care about 25 pips. I don't care about 25 pips.
Oh, look, I
Someone
already
said,
liked the
I'm
stream,
looking
gang.
at about,
No one actually
you
even
know,
had to tell me to do that.
100 pips with this. I'm
Yeah,
looking at
I
that
already liked it.
because
Once
it's
I
news.
jumped on, I said, I love this
It's
guy.
news.
This guy provided me so much value. Let me like the
literally
stream real
the
quick.
maximum I'm going to risk on this, maximum what I'm going to risk is going
Let's
to
see what he's
be
got here.
maybe $5,000.
We got to watch
maximum
it here,
what
though,
I'm gonna
because
risk
this
on
is going to be
20,000. Or risk
delayed.
$5,000. 5,000, or if I can get, 30, 40 pips before the news, then I'm going to close.
Bring out the
Yeah,
fireworks.
see if you can get.
Okay, I got 32 pips over
See?
there. Now what do I? Yeah, this is actually very, very tempting. This is actually very, very tempting. Okay, before the news.
All right, 20
okay,
seconds.
Whatever. This is a casino. We're back in the casino now.
He said,
We're back at
mic closed.
Most of the time, they always drop before the news. Yeah, so that's what I think. I think this move down
Oh, nice.
was liquidity grab.
All right, here we go.
for price
It's going to
to
be
push up.
delayed on Raja's
I
side, but
really
we'll see
think
it
this was
first.
the move down for liquidity grab for price to push
Ooh.
up. I think that's
All right,
what
let's
happened.
watch it over here now.
So I'm gonna put my stop loss below this wick in case it comes down. You know, but I do think
Is
it
Oanda
can
going to go
push
up?
based on my analysis, the analysis I did. And if
Look
it
how
pushes
delayed
down,
this
I'll
is.
just take buys because I think it's gonna move up anyway. Wow! Whoa!
Boom.
Look at that! Look at
CPI
that!
downtown,
Man,
baby.
crazy. This is
Later.
Yup.
crazy the way.
The breakout.
4 hours pushing.
Wow!
You had the
I
fake
really
out and then
thought
the
we could
breakout.
continue to push up over here.
4 hour coming straight
Man,
to 4 hour
not.
supports.
Good
4 hour
idea
targets.
keeping the
Where's it
stop
going?
loss.
What's the numbers there? Ooh, man.
Yeah.
What was the outcome?
Yup.
Oh, okay.
4 hour target.
1400,
Once that
not
target
bad.
gets tapped, then we
Not
can
bad
talk
at
about
all. What was the
buys.
outcome here?
Yes.
Was the numbers really positive?
Sir.
No, yeah, positive.
Yeah, you see the 1 hour range. So you got, look, the 30-minute
Oh wow, look at that.
30-minute fake
Super
out.
Positive numbers.
and then the 30-minute breakout.
Super positive.
Clean
numbers.
range.
Wow, super positive numbers. Yeah, crazy. They were actually very, very good numbers. If you look at the numbers here. let's take a look at
Wow.
this here.
Oh, no, I'm sorry.
3.
Wait, where'd that go? Why is this on Tuesday?
0.4. Wow. Smashed it
Yeah.
out of the park with these numbers. So basically, my analysis was wrong.
Yeah, he was thinking
I
red
had
numbers.
the wrong analysis over here. So the rub the head strategy did not really work.
Let's take NQ
Did
for
not really work. You know, nice. And
Oh
if these
yeah,
were
straight
super
down.
Bad, these were super
Yeah,
good.
good numbers on the dollar
No.
here today. Yee. NQ with the melter here.
Wow. Dang.
275, 270. Yeah. Anyone take those buys? I should have asked before, damn. You guys won't tell me now. But yeah, so we'll see what happens from here. Gold should continue moving down, but you already know what the deal is now. Just like we did yesterday, at this point, if we are going to have that bearish bias based off of the news, based off the closures, then we're going to need a resistance, right? And then once we do get that, then that's when the sells are going to come in, and you're most likely going to, if that wick does stay there and plant there, that'll be a wick to fill a little bit later, like 9:30. So that would be ideally the move, and that was the same move we looked for and waited on yesterday.
Yep.
All right, you guys remember yesterday? By the way, yesterday was freaking insane. We hit the hat trick yesterday.
Yesterday was
Three-peat,
amazing.
man. But that was yesterday, so we only had to talk about that. Yeah, so that was so yeah, so the push down there. So you were expecting, I mean, we did pull back a little bit, quite a bit yesterday, but yeah, same idea, waiting for a resistance to form and then just selling off that resistance. What up, Wags? DT Gamer, how you feeling, bro?
What's up, Wags? My man.
In the buys, risk the small account, blew it. Yes, whatever. Small accounts, it's fun. You know, if you set an account up to risk for news, it's not a big deal at all. USD strong. The US dollar is getting stronger. Sheesh, Zyper. What up, Magnus? How are you, bro?
What's up, Zyper? What's up, Magnus? It's good, boys.
Some accounts gone. Yeah, let's have a moment of silence for all the accounts that have just been blown. All right, ladies and gentlemen.
RIP.
We do feel bad about your accounts being blown, but you can get new ones, and more importantly, you can get lessons. You can get lessons, and after the lessons, come the blessings, my friends.
Yep. Now's your opportunity to be disciplined to the trading plan.
Yep.
Do what's required of you, and you'll acquire what you desire.
Yep. One guy's gonna blow the count and he goes, "This is the worst day of my life." Another guy's gonna blow an account and say, "This is the best day of my life." Which one are you gonna be? One day. Anyone in the clubhouse in those trades?
Love you.
I don't see anyone in there.
Practice accounts only.
Dun, 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 dun. Ah. Great session,
What's up,
yeah.
Sam?
Great session. Yep,
What's up,
yep.
Seguin Slays?
Took a red day on my XFA, locked myself out instead of revenge trading like I have in the past. Today could be the best day of your life, brother. Best day of your life. That's a good. Don't you feel good about that now? How good does it feel now? Probably really good.
Sure, it feels amazing.
Yeah, facts. If I'm gonna blow an account, I'm gonna blow it through my own action, not some stupid news event. I like this guy.
Yeah, facts.
What up, Green? How are you, brother?
Green.
Talk to me.
Great. Nothing.
Nothing. What up, Foster? How are you, man? Nice to see you. Thyrad. Talk to me, man. Talk to me. Lost real money and a lot. Ooh, on CPI. Was it due to CPI's out of control movement?
W Dell. W.
I was in a trade for the last 5 hours. Were you in profits? Were you in drawdown? What trade were you in? Maybe send it in a Discord and I'll take a look at it. Raja's out. Yo, Nick, hope all is well. Yo! Za! What up, Za? NQ dropping more? I bet it is. I bet it is. Really good numbers on the dollar here today. Sheesh. Really good. Yep, you see NQ really struggling in that area. Daily being bearish, the sells only made sense. Let's see if you got the closure on the 30 minute. Yeah, you kind of did, but you know. Yeah, you got the closure back below. So you got the break of the highs there. You got the closure back below. You know, obviously we couldn't do much with news, but yeah, it was crazy. That's crazy. You know it's gone when you're like, you got to move the screen up.
Oh, for real. Massive bleeder.
How'd golf go yesterday? Amazing, man. Weather was perfect. I'm over here on the sidelines. You guys know how like the you guys ever know like the husbands that go out with their wives and stuff, or like they go to their kids like academic thing, like, and they're over here like sitting and they're watching like golf on the side on their phone. That's kind of like what I'm doing right now. Watching this guy play like, I think it was 9 holes or something.
Yeah, it's funny.
Hole by hole. How you doing? Waiting for CPI. Yeah, he's pretty good, this kid. Beautiful, beautiful. I think it's in Arizona. Oh, Montana. Yeah, beautiful course this kid's at. Hole 11. Kind of confused myself on the 50K XFA. If I had made 1490 one day, then the rest the lost. I think you're still good on that. So 1490. So okay, so you would have. Hold on, let me think about that for a sec. So you would have. So the drawdown's gonna trail with you. So if you have 2000. So now you'd have 600 under break even, right? For 14? Yeah? 600? 600 under break even? I think. Damn.
Yeah, you would have 1500 minus a G. So you would have like 500 bucks
yeah,
left.
500. 1490, I think you said. My bad. Yeah,
right.
50. You'd
so
have
you made like 1500, and then the next day you lost like a G, we could say. Yeah, you would have 500 left to draw down.
Yep.
Because the drawdown will trail you, so you'll always have a $2,000 drawdown because it trails with you as you continue to make profits and higher highs. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, let's go back to Goldie because we're just going to wait now for a pullback. And then once we get the pullback, I think we can continue moving down here today. If it's clear and you tap into 4-hour resistance and support and all that, and we can catch a counter trend trade, I'd be open to that too. But we'll see. We gotta let that come to us. Appreciate you, Vito. Yeah, it's my pleasure, man. My pleasure. For sure. Yeah, I am looking for a retest. So I may be open to taking buys here on a counter trend move, but it's got to come to me. You know, it's got to be there. It's got to look nice. It's got to be how I want it. And if it is, then I'll take it. If not, then I'll wait for that resistance, because we're either just driving down here today or we'll actually get a pullback, right? So if you get a bullish closure, then you know there may be an opportunity for some buys, right, on the next candle. But you got to be careful here, because if you're very bearish, you know, you may break those highs on a bullish move up and then straight down, right, and then close below, and now you're looking like this, right? And now price gonna probably continue heading down. So that's where the counter trend trade becomes dangerous, and that's why we always like to see them in the higher time frame zones, like in the targeted areas, and make sure we got our candle confirmations. Yeah, like that could happen right here on the 5. Like that high can break, and then that 5 can close below now, and next thing you know, price just continues ripping down. So we don't want to get caught in that on the 5, on the 15, on the 30, on anything. So we want to make sure we're good.
Yeah, J. Coop. Joe took the dub yesterday, but it was a pretty competitive game all around.
He got me by 1 stroke. Yeah, he got me by a stroke, man. It was a great game. It really was.
Yeah.
Very competitive
Nick
holes.
just lost.
There was a few times where I could have pulled ahead, but it was like 1 or 2 times there where I could have just buried them, but couldn't pull through. And yeah,
you had a lot of opportunities, Nick, to win that by by a landslide.
Probably by like 3 or 4 strokes, I would say at least.
Yeah.
Came up short on a putt. Had a beautiful, probably I would say like maybe 60-yard hit that just got all messed up, just ricocheted off the bottom and ended up under a bridge, and it was crazy. So, yeah, I probably
in a bush.
Yeah, in a bush under a bridge. So we'll get him. We'll get him next time, you know. But the money line was big, but we didn't you know, because it was neck and neck. No one really I didn't really lose that much. So
no one won big.
Yeah, no one won big. He only beat me by a stroke, and it came down to the last hole too. So.
Yo, Ken, happy birthday, brother.
Cannon. Is it Cannon's birthday?
Cannon in the house.
W.
Happy birthday.
Happy
Did I
birthday,
see
Cannon.
birthday cakes in the chat, or am I just tripping? I don't even know.
W, bro.
He's on the Zoom.
On the Zoom, right?
Yeah. Happy birthday, bro. Enjoy your day.
Yeah, enjoy it, dude. What do you got going on today?
C-Melly, what's up, brother? My man, C-Melly in the house.
Legend. C-Melly.
C-Melly. Speaking of golf, let me just stop talking.
C-Melly, yeah, facts. Yo, C-Melly, did you see my
Let me
golf
stop
swing yesterday?
I remember the first time C-Melly humbled me so bad. I said, yo, bro, check this out. Start showing him some stuff. He looks at me, goes, yeah, you know, that's all good, but bro, you're hitting from like the reds, dude. Like, that's where like grandmas be hitting from. I'm like, bro, like what? So I be getting humbled out here too.
Yeah.
He said, bro, the grandmas hit from that spot. I'm like, oh my God.
Damn. That's tough.
That's a good friend though. You know, that's a good friend. So
Yeah.
now I've graduated, you know, I think I've moved like 3 back already since then. So we working here, man. We're a work in progress. That's it. In all areas, golf, trading, everything.
I'd rather be given the hard truth than the lie, you know, just to make me feel good.
He said, bro, not for nothing, don't take any pictures there, bro. That's where the grandmas tee off from. I said, yeah, I'll keep that in mind, bro. So now anytime I take my selfies when I'm at the tee box, we hit from the blacks. Just kidding. We don't take selfies from the tee box.
That's hilarious, bro.
Yo, that's funny. Yeah, a nice resistance would be like right up here too. You know, somewhere. Let me see what we got going on. Yeah, somewhere around here. We don't need a crazy resistance, right? Especially numbers coming out really like good on the dollar there. You may not get anything too crazy, so. You said you want to see price come up with a form of resistance. Does my drawn example make sense? Price retracing, breakout. Let's take a look, brother. Yes. So coming down from here, comes back up, creates some sort of resistance, and then yeah, if you even get that closure there, yeah, exactly. That would be perfect, right? Because at this point now you had a little bit of a range prior to like 9:30, right? Because kind of expecting that to happen around 9:30. You get that little range between now and 9:30, and then the closure below, and then yeah, you fill the range there. Yep. Yeah, I love that move. What's up, Armor of God? Good to have you here with us today.
Armor of God, what's up?
What funding company could I recommend in Kenya? I don't know. I'm not too sure. TK's in the house. What up, TK? How you doing? Big sales coming later? Yeah, I think so. NQ, man, is this thing still driving here? Yeah, you could see the daily really struggling in that area too. So remember I was saying in the breakdown, like I'm really not open for the buys at all. But damn, I thought we had a lot of range right here. TT golf tournament. That would be a dream come true, honestly.
That'd be crazy.
That'd be like one of the best days of my life.
I got to see my money on C-Melly.
I'm on team with big blessings.
Damn, I'm gonna have to be like Joe. Start taking lessons here, bro.
Yo, right?
Take lessons on the low key.
I know. To find like a top golf or something. I don't know. I need to do something about this.
Hell yeah, bro.
Can't be showing up out there with a baseball swing, bro.
Nah, you can't. You can't.
Yo, for real, nah. Definitely not.
It was a fun round. It was. It was one of my funnest rounds I've played. One of the funnest rounds that I've played so far. Me and Joe are like basically neck and neck. I'm praying for... Oh, thank you, my friend. John, good to see you here today, brother. Good to see you from the Holy Land. Let's go. Damn, Zoom chat's got motion. I gotta skip down, guys. Sorry.
Damn.
I'm behind like 17 and there's still like... It's still coming in. How to be a part of the community? Just pull up every day. We're here every day. Pretty much every single day.
Join us.
Yeah, man. Just come hang out, sub to the channel. Pull up home. Ask questions if you have them. Yeah, is anyone new here? Anyone new? Just found our stream like maybe in the last 30 days or so. Welcome in, welcome in. The chat is wide open for you to ask any questions. If this is a different type of trading style than you're used to, feel free to ask questions. You know, get your questions answered. Yeah, and welcome. Welcome, welcome. We've been doing this for what, almost 2.5 years now, Monday through Friday.
Yes, sir.
So you have so many live streams you can go back and watch, and a bunch of educational videos and all that good stuff. So
Yep.
Nico's new. Welcome, Nico.
Welcome, Nico.
Damn, Nico,
Damn
bro, you as well. You've probably been here since like March of 2023. March, April, right?
Yo, Timothy, 3 tips I can give you is learn a trading edge, learn how to manage risk with that trading edge, and then learn how to think like a professional trader as you're executing your trading edge. Those are 3 tips I would give. Learn those 3 things, and I think that makes a good combination of a professional trader.
Yeah, me too. Found you yesterday. Welcome, welcome. Welcome in. Yeah, NQ did melt hard here. Yeah, look at that. Look at that 1 hour candle. Same thing, so same thing on NQ, you know, any sort of pullbacks, we'll look to take advantage of those. Pretty bearish at this point. Maybe some sort of a pullback back into these ranges here, and then a continued move down. The only issue with the counter trend stuff, like I said, is when you're heavily bearish, right? You're going to see that support form and then go ahead and want to take these buys, which I completely understand, right? But what's going to happen sometimes here is that when you're going against the trend there, you're going to get a little bit of a move up, but that's when that bearish candle comes for you, right? And like you get a move up, but you don't get enough of a move up to go snag partials or even really go break even at that point, right? So that's where you want to be careful. If you want to say, hey, one of the best things that you can do today, especially if you're struggling today or have been struggling this week or this month, is only take that today. So if that doesn't show up, you don't trade today, right? You pick a move and you wait for that. And if that move happens, then you trade. If that move doesn't happen, you don't trade. And that's what I would recommend as well to whoever asked the question about, I think it was a new trader, is pick a move, and when that move comes, execute every single time.
Yep.
And if that move is not there, then you just do not trade. Simple.
Simplify your trading by doing that. Yep.
It could all be so simple.
It's extremely simple when you plan the trade out and then you trade the plan.
Like, for instance, right? So the playbook, we have, let me get rid of this. 4 or 5 positions, right, that we look for in the markets. And if it's not one of these, then there's no trade taken, right? And during that day. But you don't have to have this big of a playbook, right? My playbook has developed over the years. I only, in the beginning, I would only take this right here. This and this onion, which is a buy or sell off support resistance and a breakout. That was it. That was how I started. I kept 2 positions. I only took those. I started getting familiar with this one. Then I really, really liked it because it just produced a very, very good probability win rate. And then these 2 were obviously added over the last like 10 months. So you don't need to have a big playbook. Actually, a lot of times the smaller, the better, you know. And for most cases, like this one and this one are exactly the same. It's just, you know, getting a little bit more aggressive on it. So you don't need a massive playbook. I would even go as far as to recommend just have one. Just have one setup. Especially if you're struggling with profitability and all that, gang. You know, like try and go see what you're profiting on most and then just take that position right there. Give yourself like 1 month of doing that. You get to discipline yourself. You get to commit to one setup. You get to watch that setup, right? And you probably get good results on it. So, you know, if you're struggling, try that stuff, man. Simplify things. Go back to the basics. No one ever got hurt by going back to the basics for a few weeks.
Nope.
Sometimes you need that. Sometimes you need that. Even myself, right? February of last year, I really needed to just get back to the basics. Back to the basics. You know, I had a struggling month and trying to work my way out of it and break my way out of that slump last year. And, you know, it really just came back to going back to the simple things, back to the basics of what the system is and just keeping it simple. And then we had an amazing year, right? Almost every month after that. Yeah, this is good. This is real good because you got range coming all the way down. So like if you can get the pullback here, right? And then like a bearish closure, you know, not only do you have that wick to fill, but you'll probably see a full range get filled too. So that could be a really solid trade come I would say 9:30 maybe. Yeah. You're going to need a few minutes now, you know, to create a bullish candle and all that. So got to wait on that.
You know, I'm going to say something here for the new guys that are starting to trade and who are new here. Just show up here, man. You're in the right place. Just show up every day. Commit to what we do here. Commit to what we're teaching here. And stop looking for information anywhere else. Focus on this now. Once you find the information out, once you understand, start reading some books and stuff. One of the things that is going to hurt you the most is going to be overwhelmed by the information. So try to keep it simple. Show up here. This is simple systems. Once you get this, and if you want to learn more, once you understand the, you know, what we're talking about, like, you know, the terms, support, resistance, all that kind of stuff, Then if you want, find more information. But for now, just keep it simple and learn what we do here. That's all you need.
Yeah, simple stuff. Keep it simple. Simple systems work best.
Say do.
Right, Green? Green knows.
Well, that was a nice push up in the last minute.
Which one, brother? Oh, on gold?
Yeah.
Let's take a look at gold. Wow. Holy.
Bro, we were at 29.05
That's insane.
like a minute ago. Now we're at 29.10.
Goldie, Goldie. That's a pullback, eh?
Yeah, bro.
I wasn't
Definitely.
expecting that at all. So yeah, you just need to wait on a resistance now. That's all. So if we get a resistance here, you may see what you've seen over here, right? It's a push down. You get a resistance here, you may see that push down. Fundamentals are price action. I don't know. For me, price action. My extent of fundamental analysis is numbers green, gold down. Numbers red, gold up. That's my extent for the I mean, obviously I know a little bit more than that, but that's pretty much all I put towards it. And then after that, I'm following candlesticks. So after that, I'm going to lean on price action. Yo, what's up, Oscar? How are you, man? Good to see you, bro. Good to see you. Damn, glad you're feeling
Oscar.
better and you're well. Happy New Year. Ranges are massive. They are. Yeah, they are now. Can I explain the onion? Yeah, so in today's case, right, if we're waiting on an onion, right, we want to see, let's just say you have bearish candles, right? So you got bearish candles, you're in a bearish trend here. So price is moving down, right? You got nice clean moves down, whatever. So if you're going to take a sell and you're bearish, you don't really want to take the sell down here after price had already moved down quite a bit, right? So what you want to do is you want to wait for a pullback. So what that pullback will tend to look like is going to be some sort of bullish move up, right, on like a 15-minute time frame. And then all you're really doing at that point is just waiting for a candle to close in your direction. So once you get this candle here to close in your direction, I'm gonna look to take sells, right? Especially if the higher time frame is bearish here. Gonna look for opportunity just like now, right? If you get a bearish closure, right, I want to take sells after that. So that's exactly what we'd be looking to do, and that would be an onion play. Yeah. Let's say we ranged here for a bit. So let's say instead of doing all that, we range, and then you get a candle closure, then I would just consider that one like a breakout. So you get something like this, you know, breakout. Little breakout. Yeah, the onion's simple. It's a good position, and it's taking a lot. It's taking a whole lot. How do you see the trades? What
do you mean?
So like if you go to the playbook. Oh, here they are. Oh, perfecto. There we go. It's onion. Yeah, so these would be all the trades executed based off of that concept here. So let's kind of so this is further. So let me show you some onion plays. So here's one, and this is what that would look like. So you see what I mean? You have price moving up, moving up, moving up, creates support right there, and then you take a buy right off that support. Let's see another one. How do you go back? Let's take a look at this one. So this was yesterday. So price is moving bearish here, right? Moving bearish, comes down, pulls back. You get a closure below, take a sell right off of it. Let's see if we got some more. So same deal. So this was a this was actually, is that labeled as onion? I think this is supposed to be a fade. Yeah, I don't know why that says onion. It's a fade. So yeah, basically just looking for buys and sells, waiting for candles to pull back, you know, trading the trend pretty much. Give me 1 minute. I'll be right back.
So yeah, how's everyone doing? How'd you guys do for CPI? Anyone take any trades? Any news trades? I know a lot of you guys caught those buys in London. Those are really nice. NASDAQ bleeder here. Snap. Let's go PM Magnifico. What's up, bro? No trades, no trades. Same, it's been a patient day for me so far. Still no trades yet. Patiently waiting for the setup to present itself. And that's where the maturity happens, right? As you are not an amateur trader anymore, you become a professional trader. When you start to focus not on just taking trades, but focus on taking the best trades. When you focus on taking the best trades and don't just focus on trading, that's where your maturity starts to happen in trading. Yep, no trade days so far. What's up, energy? Yeah, it's been a good patient day so far, working out that patience and discipline muscle. It's necessary, right? It's necessary to develop those skill sets. We must apply them and work on them, right? So right now for all of us, our opportunity is to continue working out that patient and discipline muscle, making it stronger and stronger, so that over time it's a skill set that we have sharpened and a habit we have developed. So yeah, this is where the work is put in, chart work. So W's. If you guys haven't liked the stream yet, give the stream a like. Shout out Nick for being here, giving us the sauce, and give yourself a pat on the back too, chat, for showing up. Most people didn't even show up today. So way to show up to work on your dreams and goals. That's what's up.
That is what's up. That is what's up.
Yeah.
Is golden onion right now? No. It would be if maybe we get a bearish closure. Gold buys. So in order for us to take gold buys, I'd probably rather wait the hour out, let that 4-hour candle actually close bullish, and then get a little bit more aggressive on buys. I think the best buys here are probably... The 1 hour is not that bad for buys right now. It's just so choppy on the 30 here. So until that 4-hour closes bullish, I'll probably not be as aggressive on the buys yet. 1 hour looks pretty good though, but just nasty here on the 30-minute. Let's say the 4-hour candle closes just like that, then I'll probably be open up buys above here. You're welcome. You're welcome. Yeah, I mean, it looks really hot right now, especially with like this candle closing all week bearish, but until that 4-hour gets confirmed, I don't want to do it because this thing could pull back. I mean, look, we talked about 4-hour tap and target there. That thing really ripped back up. Crazy. Yeah, this candle also closed with like very little to no top wick. So we'll see. Bum, bum. Would have liked to see it close below. Yeah, no trade range. Yep. Facts, Cannon. So basically looking for sells until the 4-hour closure. Yeah, more so leaning towards sells. And like, so what does that mean? More so leaning towards like maybe waiting on a resistance here, right? And if that happens, then I can say, okay, you know, maybe the 4-hour is going to continue moving down. That would also be the 4-hour flipping bearish again and closing below and all that. So yeah, I think that would be the better position to take. Definitely. 15 or 30? It just depends on what time it is. So if you're, let's say the candle looks like this on like, or let me just draw it out here. So let's just say the candle looks like this on the 30-minute time frame, right? So we're like rejecting an area, and the 30-minute candle looks like that, right? Let me just make it. Let me make it a little bit bigger. Boom. So 30-minute candle closes like this, and let's just say that there was a zone here, some sort of a zone, and we're paying attention to that zone. But this candle's still open, right? And it's about to be like 9:15 or even 9:45, right? And on the 15-minute, you have a candle closing back below the range. So this candle's made up of two 15-minute candles. Let me just grab this. 2 15-minute candles. So that those 2 15-minute candles look like this. You got one, and then you got two. So in this case, you would look for it on the 15. Right? Because if you wait now for the 30 during that high volume time, you may miss the move as the 15 is already ready to go. And like what that will look like is that'll just like this, it'll look like this candle here just turning around, right? And it's moving bearish. So it just depends on the time. If you're tiptoeing around high volume and session opens and news and all that, then I like the 15-minute. I think that's where most of my positions have been this year, but overall, I think the 30-minute is the best time frame to look at. So you see how it's not ready yet? It just keeps moving up. So, oh yeah, by the way, so I don't prefer either one, you know. It's just whatever one makes sense at that time.
It's all about correlating the higher time frames to the lower time frames too. You know, to build a case on which time frame you're looking to trade on.
Yeah. Oh my God. It's bloody. There's blood in the streets.
It's a murder scene for the impatient traders today.
Aggressive pullbacks after news. Yeah, it'll do that from time to time, especially a CPI event. Bull flagging on the 5. I don't trade that way. But it looks good. I mean, price is clearly going up. Gold's getting sued. At what point do you look to go back in for a sell? Once a red candle's printed, and if it's printed especially below that range there, then that's when I like the sells again. So it's got a print. You have to have a red candle printing probably back below this range here, and then you've got, you know, a pretty decent move coming down. But look, this 4-hour candle is going to close here in a little bit, and my bias may completely shift at that point if this candle closes bullish, right? So we'll have to, you know, do a fresh analysis when the candle closes. But yeah, for now, no buys for me.
Damn, bro. I think we're coming for them 4-hour highs, especially after tapping support pretty much on the dot on that 4-hour candle. Look at the money coming up here.
These were the highs from London. London highs coming in hot.
Yeah. I love how see, that's why we're aggressive with the buys when 4 hours tapping targets, right? Look at this 4-hour candle tapping target and then moving up. So really nice.
Daily top wick. Ooh. Daily top wick coming in. Can't stop the bullish rain here on gold. So in a way it's kind of like mixed news. Jerome speaking here too at 10.
Oh yeah, yep. Damn.
Yeah, site price super bullish on the macro. I agree. Yeah, I agree. That's why I took buys in London, you know. Took buys in London expecting potential for that daily to come up and make a top wick. It wasn't until New York session that I shifted the bias a little bit more. Because in London, so London time during that time we had basically this candle as a previous candle, right? So I'm thinking, okay, perfect. Like daily's got no top wick, right? Daily candle got no top wick. Gold is extremely bullish on the macro. If we break this high, right, on the 4 hour, we should start flying up. So the buys were taken like down here on the 4 hour, right? And the 4 hour candle did begin to move up, but then it just didn't break the high during that time. You know, it just stayed below, and then it kept bearish. So it wasn't until I came here for New York where price was very bearish, right? We kind of said, okay, we're not going to come up. We came down, and that's when I flipped my bias there, looking for sells. But now we might flip it back. Gold's playing with us here. Up and down, up and down. So I just got to follow price action and do my job. That's it. It's not my it's not our job to get into trades. It's really not. It's just our job to follow what we need to do in order to get good results. How's the personal coaching? You'll have to ask the personal mentees. You got to ask the mentees. Yeah, because I want to keep getting good results this year, right? Like, I want to have, like last month, I get it. That was probably like, you may not see like months like this, right? But I want to keep my trading clean. I want to keep my trading professional. You know, I want to keep my trading to where I'm doing what I'm supposed to do. And if price doesn't do what it's supposed to do, that's on price. That ain't on me, you know what I mean? Because when I'm all alone and I leave the stream and it all quiets down and no one's in the chat anymore, I've got to live with the results, right? So I don't want to be driving to the gym or driving here or driving there thinking, why did I take such an idiotic trade? You know what I mean? So that just got to me after a while, and I'm like, I'm just going to do what's required, and I'm just going to do that forever. Really, Nick? How long are you going to do what's required for? Forever. Forever, dude. You don't get to a point where you don't have to do what's required anymore. I think that's what most like unsuccessful people think success is. Like, you just get to a point where it's like you don't do anything anymore. And that's in most cases not the case. So you're always going to have to be learning and adjusting and growing in the markets, just like any other industry or business. Like, look at these guys. Some of my friends, they're mechanics. I mean, technicians. So they're technicians now, but they have to literally upgrade their knowledge every year now. Literally every year, because the AI, the computer system. So same thing with all this. And as long as you're doing what's required, right, because that's what's required for those new cars, then you'll continue to maintain a good positive outcome. The one-on-one coaching, yeah, that's what I mean. You gotta ask the mentees. Is there any elite members here that can answer PJ's question? Because you know I'm not gonna answer it. Would this be contradicting bias 4-hour daily? Yeah. So which one would I follow? That's a good question. And I think it all depends on the session. Typically I want to follow the 4-hour bias, right? But when the information on the 4-hour looks like this, right? And so just like I drew it out before, right? So when we got to London and the 4-hour information looks like that, and the daily's bullish, I'm going to lean towards the daily because the 4 hours also letting me know, hey, we're rejecting, we may pull back, and so on and so forth. So it's about kind of putting them together. But if I have to follow one over the other, I think it would be the 4-hour. Yeah. Good question, though. Good question.
Four hours, that session bias. Right, focusing on what direction can price go in this session.
Yeah, exactly. Because we're only here for 2 or 3 hours anyway. So the daily is such a broad, look on a macro look on the session itself, right? So the 4-hour will give you 4 hours, right? And that's typically the session time frame is like 3 or 4 hours. So you want to really tie in with that one and then, use the daily to your advantage as well. Yeah, elites, yeah. You said here in some spot. Yeah, so I'm going to open up elite spots. There's going to be 5 elite spots. They're going to open up probably in a week or two. They won't be open long. They usually only last like a couple days. We only open 5. I haven't opened them up. I've been really honed in on the clubhouse and really focused on some of the elite members that have just continued to renew their membership. But yeah, 5 spots later on in the month. First come, first serve. I'll make the announcement in the clubhouse first, and then I'll make the announcement publicly when it's all opened up. How long did it take me to start making like good money? Almost 3 years, 2.5 years, about 3 years, I'd say. So you got to give yourself time to grow. Now, if I didn't have a community like this or anything, so it's like it may have taken me a little bit longer. But if you tie into like the live streams and the clubhouse and all that, then I think that's really designed to cut your journey in half a little bit. Yeah, DJ Scratches, a lot of really good elite members. The one thing I can say about all the elites is that not only have they become better traders, but they are just dominating in all areas. So, we talk about a lot more than trading. There's a lot more that goes into it. And like I said in my new reel, right, all of them are, picking up good habits, better habits, putting down bad habits, doing things that their future self is going to thank them for, reading books. I mean, these guys and girls got book collections at this point, right? They're having, more success in their, physical activity, right? Starting to exercise more, workout, counting their steps, counting their macros, fixing their diet, getting a better spiritual life. I mean, it's really, really cool to see. So it's bigger than just trading, but there's no doubt that we are, the elite program is an assembly line for greatness. What up, Ayush? Yep, and the clubhouse is on another level. Another level.
That's where it's at.
Yep. Yeah, it's cool. Guys are handling their money better, talking to their wives better. I mean, It's truly incredible to take a look at. It's admirable, man. I like a guy who's rough and tough, and you can, you know, kind of shape him up and craft him and sculpt them a little bit, you know. And then you got other people who they think they know everything, yet they don't do anything, right? So we don't have a education problem here in America or in the world. We have an application problem, right? Education is everywhere. It's just no one's applying. So when you get yourself into a program and you spend good money on a mentor and you take it serious and you invest, that's when you start to listen. What up?
Yo,
Yeah,
W here. You see what Sebastian wrote on the thing on the chat?
The trader person I was before the elite is totally different than the one I am now. Yeah, I love that, bro. I love that, and I am proud of you because you have grown a lot, not just as a trader, but you know, as a person. So it's really
Same
cool.
thing with Magnus, bro. Yeah, W guys.
Yeah, and you'll hear about a lot of elite members. You know, they're gonna come out just right now. They're cooking. They're in the crock pot. But you wait, man. They're coming. I don't talk to my wife better when I'm on a losing streak. Oh man, you probably also don't sleep in the bedroom when you got that losing streak, man. Come on. If you're gonna have a losing streak in the trade room, at least don't have one in the bedroom. You know what I mean? That's a double whammy if you ask me. Hey Yush, how we feeling today, bro? You saved some pips for us out here, man? How's the Oanda chart treating you today? Full margin. What's up, Juan? Yo, what up, Tradeify? Tradeify, what's Gucci? It's time. They're cooking. Like Breaking Bad. They're about to be sitting on a... I only seen like the last scene of that, and that dude had like a whole mattress full of money, right? That's what happens when you join the elite program. All of a sudden you look under your bed and there's money everywhere. Join now. No stops, no stops. All right, let's see Goldie here. Yeah, just moving on up. Hello. Good morning.
Where's John?
Huh?
Where's John?
Where'd John go? I don't know. You say hi to Rafi though? Rafi's there. Say hi, Rafi.
Where's she at? Let me
He's gonna
see
come up
some
here.
here.
You better say hi. Lele's up, so I'm guessing there's gonna be some volume coming in.
Hi, Lele.
Can you wave hi to everyone? You gotta wave to that camera right there. Give him a big thumbs up. Or go in your playroom. Which one? Thumbs up or playroom? Okay, good. Oh my god, the whole crew's up? Good. Maverick. What you doing, bud? The whole crew's up. The whole crew. This guy. Kingman wants to come say hello. He's wobbling over here. Hi, buddy. You want to say hi to everyone? What up, Buzz Blab? How we feeling, brother? Whoa. Lele said, yo, you seen the way Lele looked at gold? She was like, nah.
She knows.
The whole squad's here, man. Maverick's up. Kingman's up. You guys ready for a great day or what?
On 30 cheat code.
Someone say 9:30.
9:30, bro.
Hold on,
Let's take a trade.
Yeah. So 15-minute time frame here. If you get a closure below there on NQ, I'm probably going to be looking to short this. Still got a lot of clean range coming down, so we'll see. We're going to have a volume come in. We broke the highs. That just activated the buyers here. So if we close below on the 15, you should get a continued move down here. Gold not looking the hottest, not going to lie. Goldie not looking the hottest, but if we can get NQ to perform like this and get that closure below, you have clean range coming all the way down here, and then that second half of that 930 candle may be able to give us that push we're looking for here.
I think I'm waiting for a 4-hour closure on Goldie.
Yeah, gold. Yeah, I'll revisit gold later because not looking the best now.
Real. Not the best.
Sheesh, that's a pullback. That's better than the move down. 180 pips down.
Massive pullback, bro.
360 pips up. That's a 360, man. Damn.
Massive pullback.
Nice to have time with the kids. Yes, yes, it is, brother. It is. Freedom can't even explain how amazing it is. Got my wife here too, who just woke up, so the whole family's here. Oh, Rafi's using the app. I remember that app.
You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, I know the app.
That's so
It's
funny.
like, today, your child's the size of a melon. and then wifey comes over to you like, look. It's the size of a melon. You don't even start calling it it. You don't stop calling it it until it like actually shows like a human being on the app. You're like, there she is. How cute.
Yesterday we went to Costco, and there's the blueberries. I was like, oh, look who we got here.
Yeah.
Yo, Rafi,
We
bro,
got the
congrats,
blueberry.
my man. That's
Thank
so
you, brother.
awesome, dude.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
guess
man,
the
God
cat's
bless
out the
you, bro.
bag. Chat, Rafi is
I didn't
expecting
even know
a
that, dude.
little TT
Oh, you didn't
soldier.
know?
I didn't, nah.
Oh shoot! You
Yeah.
probably weren't on the screen in the stream when I. Oh, wait a second. I said it in the clubhouse. I think it was.
Must have not been there. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think he was there
Yeah,
that
bro,
day.
awesome. Congrats, dude.
Thank you,
That's
my
awesome.
G.
Yep.
Thank you.
Yes,
God's
sir. God's plan. How do you stay relaxed when big moves happen like this? Because I'm gonna wait for my setup, you know. So like this big move, it wasn't my setup, you know. So just yeah, there's nothing else to be but relaxed, you know.
Remember, it's easy to not have FOMO. It's easy to be patient when you know what the move is you're looking for.
Yeah. Once you know what you're looking for, anything outside of that just doesn't add up. So one may say, well, hey, isn't this an onion play? Yeah, it is. It is, but it's going heavily against this bearish move here, right? So I'm already up pretty good for the day. I can probably stop here at 1800. But if I am going to take another trade, it's going to be something that I want to see, right? And if we're really bearish right now, I want to see something like that, some closure below, and then a move down from that point. The buys can turn around at any point now that we're extremely bearish. So I don't really have an edge on that. I don't know where that's really going to want to run up to. So I'd rather just wait for what I do have edge on and stay relaxed until that time comes. Hang out, shoot the breeze, talk to chat, answer questions, you know, just chill. Boom, boom. What's your take on gold? Let's take a look. So yeah, my take now is like we've obviously moved up too much to buy, right? So if the 4 hour does close bullish, and let's say the 4 hour candle closes bullish like you see here, something like this, and it leaves a wick, well then I'm gonna switch my bias, right? So I'm gonna expect a bottom wick on that next 4 hour candle and then a move up, and I'm gonna target that daily high there. So what will that look like on the lower time frame? So on a 15-minute time frame, if the candle's going to close, right, and leave a wick, you're most likely going to get a bearish candle. And then, right, because our 4 hour candle looks like this, remember? Boom. So like this with that steep wick to the bottom. And now the next 4 hour candle has to throw us some sort of a lower wick here. So that lower wick, I'm going to wait for that lower wick to get printed, and what that's going to look like on the 15-minute time frame is like this, right? So you're going to get that move down on the 4 hour, and then I wait for an onion, you know, or a support to be formed. And now what's happening is the 4 hour looks like this at that time. 4 hour looking like this. So it came down, now it's starting to pull back. So I'm going to anticipate the fact that that 4 hour candle now will start to move up, break its own high, and then go bullish. So if I see that now, that's going to be taking place like right here on this candle. So I'm anticipating the move up. Therefore, if we get a support like that, I'm going to take a buy, anticipating that that 4 hour candle is going to start getting ready to move. Right? And all that will be is the 4 hour candle making a low here, right here, making that low, and then moving on up. And then moving on up. So that's it. Probably stick around for another, I don't know, 30, 40 minutes maybe. What time is it? Yeah, probably like 10. I'll stick around for a little while after Powell's little meeting there, and then if we get nothing, we'll take it into the clubhouse. Yeah, congrats, Rafi. Damn, word, big moves. How you feeling?
It's crazy, you know, because you do work, you know, and you've been, you know, doing this development and all that kind of stuff. When you take this role, this is a whole different ball game, bro.
For real.
Now it's just everything changes. Crazy. For the good, you know?
Yep.
So now there's a different level of growth that gotta happen now.
Next chapter.
It's a good time.
Yeah.
How you feeling? Feeling
Time to
excited?
flip the page.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very excited, very enjoying the day to day, you know?
Yep.
Because I'm X amount of days closer of this chapter. You see what I'm saying? Like after, you know, the birth, like it's complete different. So like these are the last days that we're gonna be like, well, it's not like we have a 16-year-old, 17-year-old here in the house, but with a newborn, it's gonna be a whole different ball game, you know?
Right.
You guys ain't gonna be having no mornings to sleep in no more. Remember them Saturday mornings where you just be laying, hanging out?
Nah, you'll see me in
It's
London
over.
now every day.
Yeah, facts. Back
over.
to trade in London, Rafi.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
I'm enjoying my last normal nights here.
It's a good time, man. It's a good time. Being a dad is a great opportunity, great business to be a part of, and you'll be a wonderful dad, dude.
Thank you, brother.
You
Appreciate
will
it.
be, bro. You're awesome, bro. You're gonna crush it.
Yeah.
Thank you, guys.
So,
Means a lot.
Don't I like range 2 breakouts? Yeah, that would be a range 2 breakout. So like I'm not going to take buys here off of this breakout here, But if we come down, retest, create support, then I could take the buy now. Especially if the 4-hour flips and it closes bullish and all that, then I can now at that point now the 4-hour and the daily are bullish. So that would actually make a lot more sense now to go long on gold, right? So even if we get one more candle, that's really not that bad, right? Because what this is this could be creating a range for a little bit later for price to retest, right? So you come down on this new 4-hour candle, you make a low, make your bottom wick, maybe even get like a fake out or something, right? Back in here, and now the further we push up, the more room we have to go later. So that's totally fine. This can go wherever it needs to. Just when it comes back, that's when you want to be ready for it, right? So you could take your buys here and then have a nice trade to kind of retest those highs. Very similar to the trade I took in, yeah, look, I mean, doesn't that look almost identical? Oh, sorry, you guys can't see it that good. But, you know, price comes down, creates support. You're not going to buy up here, right? But you're going to wait till it comes down, create support, and then you're going to get in to just retest these highs here. That's it. That's the bulk of the move. Anything after that is house money, but you should at least secure your partials here if you're looking to, you know, bag some profits on the day. But that move looks just like this move drawn up, and that's I wait for the same thing every time. It's
Totally.
yeah.
It's
Same
crazy.
couple moves, handful of moves we look for, and that's it. So right now, there's none of the moves that I look for are presenting themselves right here. So we gotta wait now. So look, we waited on the way down, we waited on the way up. Now we gotta wait again. It's a waiting game.
Bro, I never thought as a kid my job would be this simple, bro. Honestly, this is awesome.
Yo, yesterday we waited 3 hours and then we made what, like almost $1,000 in 10 seconds.
Yeah,
So
bro.
that's how it is sometimes.
Double G's.
Sometimes the market's gonna make you wait. But yeah, right. Sign me up. Where was the guidance counselor talking about this job?
Word, bro. Like, when I told the guidance counselor I'm looking to be a day trader, they looked at me like I was crazy.
They
He
were
told
like,
the guidance
"Hey,
counselor he
what?"
wanted to be a day trader. That's so
Hey,
Yeah,
funny.
they're like, they gave me that look like you shouldn't do that.
They gave him that look like, should we report him? He's a glitch.
And I said, awesome.
He may be a glitch in the system. Said, nah, he ain't maybe, he is.
Yes, I am. The guidance counselor, hilarious, bro.
Where is he at now, bro? At the same place?
John might be
Sitting at
making
that
more
same
money than
desk,
him.
bro. Hell yeah. And they're giving advice to kids on how to live their life. You know what? Yeah, I'm your guidance counselor. I think this career is gonna be best for you. Like what?
Person doesn't even know anything about you, man. How can they say that?
I'm like, you're eating a bag of Doritos at 11 a.m. I'm good, bro.
Make sure you pay attention. Why don't you pay attention to getting your hands out of that bag of Doritos?
Yeah, bro.
With a bag of soda from the gas station.
With a freaking Coke bottle too, yep. The math wasn't mathing, bro, and I was like, all right, bet. I know what path to take.
One time when me and my wife were going for like some sort of sonogram, this lady was trying to tell us about health. Bro, when she sat down, the chair disappeared. Like, no lie, not even trying to disrespect. Like, I was like, what'd you do with that chair? Like, where did it even go? And this lady was trying to sit here, talk to us about health, and no, honey, the hospital was like, because Anna was like literally about to like give birth, and the hospital was like just a couple, like maybe a half a football field away. And she's like, don't walk. Oh my God, you don't walk. Because you can't walk. We're going to walk to the hospital because we know that can help and we want to get our steps in. All right. And she was just like, I don't know, whatever. So, but it's pretty funny how people like that can give advice and we actually trust them. Holy.
That's the best,
Holy.
bro. Yep.
Half the doctors working on your heart are about to pass out from a heart attack. because they're just overeating and overindulging and just working themselves too much too. I'll never forget too. Remember, John? We were at a family party, and we had one lady come up to us because we weren't eating something that she liked. She's like, "You guys gotta learn how to eat." Oh, and mind you, no disrespect, this lady's probably 350 pounds.
Yeah.
Talking to us about what
That-
choices of food she thinks we should have.
Yeah, that's exactly what I was thinking about, Nick. Our minds met.
So
And
I
then we all
usually
just looked at each other and laughed, bro. Like, in
find
front
that
of her.
pretty funny. All right. So 14 minutes for this 4-hour candle to close here. So it's looking good. Dun, 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 dun.
15 minutes here. Yep.
One thing I wanted to ask is how Don and Raja bumped their lots up 10, 20, 30 to big butt. With your experience, patience, how come I haven't bumped them up? I mean, I used 10 lots on my last trade. You know, that's $100 a pip. So I think they're pretty bumped up. Your recent YouTube content has been very rewarding, Nick. Oh, awesome. Glad you're learning a lot. Glad you're learning a lot. And with size too, I like to size in according to trades. So I like to size in according to like conditions in the market. So I'm always random on my lot sizes, but in most cases I'm, you know, 5 lots to 10 lots, which is pretty good.
Yeah, most traders aren't trading like that.
Yeah. I mean, I remember starting on, you know, not even 1 lots. I remember $100 days on gold. If you guys go to my IG, if you're not following me on Instagram, go to It's Nick Stewart with an underscore at the end, and you can go and you can see when I first started trading gold and how I was making like $100 a day. Help me improve my trading. Good. I'm happy to hear that, Aaron. Hope you're well, man. Do a lot again. Are sales no longer good, looking great, and why? Cool. Let's talk about the sales here. So you got your 4-hour coming to a closure now, right? So what's going to happen now is we're reversing the bias, right? So we're flipping it. So before, where we wanted to see like a resistance to form to take sells, now we want to look for support to form to take a buy, right? This is one of those days now where you're just going to flip your bias like that. That these days don't come too often, but this is a day that we're in now, right? So now what we're looking to do is, if we are talking about sells, right? So number one, there's a range here that we got to pay attention to. So we never closed above that. But when it comes to sells now, these shorts might be short-lived, right? Because all we're really going to do is pull back for the next 4-hour candle here. So you may not get a major move out of that, right? You may get something kind of like this, to where price really doesn't move too much. You know, you may get a push down, right? But then probably a closure back like that. So I'd rather take those buys after that 4-hour lower wick has been formed and the pullback and all that, and then go ahead and go long from there. Now that we're bullish. So the sells are kind of off the table for me because they're now going to be short-lived sells based off of a little pullback that the 4-hour needs to do. So I'd rather now wait for that support to form and then take the buys going with the 4-hour now and going with the daily time frame, because both 4-hour and daily are now bullish. So now we got to flip that. Let's look at the daily real quick, right? So this daily candle might try and come up here to create this top wick and start to push up. So that could 100% happen here. Gold is extremely bullish, right? As you can see on this daily time frame. So
Oh, yeah.
yeah, so that could be the end of the day, right? Result right there. So I'd be open to taking buys, anticipating that, and I'd kind of lean away from the sells now.
Oh, yeah, that daily time frame looking dangerous coming to come back up.
Yeah. What's my Insta?
Juicy.
Instagram. This is my Instagram right here. Boom, 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 boom. Right here. Yeah, you guys can follow me on IG. Just make sure I won't hit you up. You know, I feel like I don't even have to say all that at this point. But yeah, it's my only IG that I have in regards to trading. But yeah. Lots of content here. Lots of content.
And there is lots of content. Hell.
These are all trades that are recorded and documented and all that good stuff. Yeah, I think that's about it for trading. Oh yeah. What was I gonna say? Oh yeah, I think it's in here. So trade charts might be in charts. What we were talking about earlier. You gotta check that one out. Yeah, I don't feel like going through it here, but yeah, go through there. You'll see when I first started trading gold and all that. All right, let's go. 4 hour, 9 minutes. Haven't broken my plan in 2 years till today.
Oh,
Yep, it happens.
that's good. That's good though.
That's real good.
Good job, Pablo.
Way to go on a 2-year run. Now you take your little
Yeah.
your little hiccup and then you go on another 2-year run.
Yep.
Where's that 15? I like the 15 the best here.
It's good to get reminded too. You know what it's like, what happens when you go against the plan. It's a humbling experience for the trader.
Yeah, I think my range is gonna be here, right around 29.14. Maybe get support there and then look to push. That's right around the level in which we traded it during London today. So we'll see. Anything above here looks pretty good. Any supports formed look pretty good above there. This here would be incredible if you get like a push down, but like on the next candle, but an exhaustion, right? So some like wick to kind of do something like that. And then I might be open for impulse trades, right? At that point on the break of the highs here and not even wait for support. NQ pulling back. NQ. Oh yeah, perfect. So if we get resistance now, that looks money. So that's what I want to see now. Another closure like that, and then I'm in there for sells here today. This is lovely. Wow, that candle moved up, huh?
4 hours.
Sheesh.
4 hours looks like it's gonna close below support too.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah, especially if this 4 hour candle here closes below that support. Money. Now you got a wick to fill, clean range to the left. Been following your trading plan or trading playbook for a while, and I'm learning a lot. Nice. Congratulations. Happy for you.
Love.
Yeah, that's why we put the videos out, so that way you guys can, you know, in your own time, take time and study it and take notes on it and put it to work. NQ is NAS100? Yes. Yep. Alright, let's turn my head over to the clubhouse here for a moment. I'm so weak, I don't even know what we were talking about. I forget.
Clubhouse chat lit.
That was 10 minutes ago? Damn. Oh yeah, that's right. Red meat and eggs are the problem. That's right. Yeah, Doritos. Doritos can't be the problem. It's definitely that red
red
meat in
meat.
those eggs. And all that whole food that people are eating these days.
Too much protein. Too much protein is no good.
It's definitely not the cup of noodles that you've been eating for breakfast for the last 12 and a half years.
Oh, the
More
sugar is
carb.
the sugar is cereal that you eat.
Yeah. You thought it was all going to end in college. It just continued on into adulthood. Ramen noodles for breakfast.
The fact
Gold.
that they said cereal is healthier than red meat's crazy. That's sad.
You do know they came out and said that and challenge your intelligence, right?
Right.
Cereal's
That was a
better
test.
than... Yeah. 12 eggs and 1 or 2 steaks per day. My goodness, man. How are you still living?
Fire.
No way. How could you still be alive? That's not what the news told me. I had a small bowl of mini wheat Sunday night as a still dying from it. Tell me not,
Damn.
DeMarco. Tell me not, bro. I'll eat cereal now to have like heartburn. Like, wait, what?
Right.
What was I just used
Screw
to that?
bro. A balanced breakfast.
The electric income reducer, I mean the television on the news was telling me that I should be eating Doritos for breakfast. So that's what I will eat for breakfast.
Let's do what they say.
I'm not trading gold anymore. I haven't stopped trading gold. I've been trading gold for the last 4 years. Never stopped. Yeah, I only switched over to the futures chart, and now I'll trade gold and the Nasdaq. Gold, the NQ is like my new GJ. You know?
An upgraded version. GJ on steroids.
Yeah, an upgrader. Yeah, that lineup is insane. Gold and NQ. We're gonna have fun this year. We're already having
It's
a lot
like
of fun
Judge and
this year.
Soto.
Do you drink a lot of zero sodas? What is that? What's a zero soda?
I think it's a soda with 0 sugar, 0
Like
calories.
zero. Oh, zero sugar? No.
Like Coke Zero.
No, I don't.
It's actually more like zero nutritional facts.
I don't drink.
I mean, that's better than the regular Coke, I'd probably say.
I mean, I don't drink any of it.
Zero soda, what the hell?
The only thing I'll drink with carbon whatever is excess. I go for like 1, 2 a day. It's probably the worst thing I consume. But it's still pretty healthy for you. It's still not still not bad. He said NQ kicking like David Beckham. Let me find out, TK.
TK,
You
NQ
trading?
is gonna
You
kick
trading
a little
NQ?
harder.
Yeah, he might kick a little harder. Trump drinks 12 cans of Coke Zero per day. Is that what they paid him to say, or is that what he actually does? Because that's wild. Paid advertisement or real life?
Gotta be cap.
Yeah, he probably owns a ton of shares. Ton of shares. I just started following you, learning so much so far. Nice, man, nice. What time do we go live? We go live at right around 8 a.m. Eastern every morning. 7:45-ish. Yeah, we also go live every day in the clubhouse. For those of you guys that don't know, we trade Asian session, London session, pre-New York, and then, you know, the New York session as well. So we're pretty much, we got the live hotline going all sessions.
We really do. It's a blessing.
Apparently he has his own button in his office. When he presses it, someone brings him a Coke Zero. Honestly, I wouldn't doubt that either. Bring me my Coke Zero.
Man just presses a button, bro. It's crazy.
I think the best video I ever watched with Trump was Trump versus DeChambeau. This one right here. Classic. Trump was all out of breath and everything. He's got an ugly shot, but it works for him. Let's see him get a putt off. He's got an ugly shot, but I don't know. He plays good. Look at that thing. Beam. Biden can never. He said, remember that one video? He said, you see that? Biden can never.
That was dirty.
Let's see his putt game. His putt game is just... Ew. Oh, that's not a putt.
That was mad nice, actually.
Bro, that was a beauty.
Bag of chop.
Look at this putt game, though. Bro, he's nice. Ooh.
Ooh.
Dude's actually nice. I mean, he's been golfing for a long time. He's been golfing for a long time. Okay, so it's 10 a.m. here. The 1 hour candle did close bullish. 30-minute candle did close bearish here on gold. So that's not really much of an issue. I still want to see a little bit of that pullback that we're looking for. NQ has... Ooh, so we may get a bearish closure here now. So let's wait on the 15. This is the first 15 of the 1 hour. The 1 hour closed super bullish, but like below here. So that's all good signs now. So once we get a actual red candle that prints and closes, that's when I'm gonna step in here. So hopefully this one doesn't drive all the way down in the next 15 and stays somewhere right around here. I'll be right back. I'll be right back to avoid any FOMO. BRB.
There you go, bro. How to avoid FOMO? Just leave when you got FOMO. Leave the desk. Go like grab some water or something. Do push-ups. Yeah, beautiful. That 4 hour tapped that support perfectly. Tapped target perfectly and then rejected. Gave us a nice healthy support. Next 4 hour candle looking pretty clean to move up. Nice price action here. Magnus in the house. What's good, Magnus? Magnus on that treadmill too. Let's get it. Kids crushing it, getting them steps up. How many push-ups are we at? Ooh, haven't done any push-ups today. Leg day and core day for me. So hit some good core, did a little stretching, and I'm at 100 squats right now. So yeah, I figured I'd just do some body weight squats today. Yup, simple and effective. Then tomorrow and the next 2 days we'll lift some heavy weights again. And then back to leg day and core. Yeah, Raja has asked, how do you stop trading for the day? And he answers, how do you stop eating? Just stop. For real, it's as simple as that. You just stop. And that means, okay, I'm done trading today. I'm gonna shut the computer off and go out. I'm done trading. That doesn't mean open your phone up and look at the charts and just take a trade, you know, right after that. Could be so
Thomas,
simple.
there's a sorry, John. Thomas, there's a in the clubhouse. We have a Discord, and it shows like the links right before London session. He'll send you the link right before New York. you get the links in there. That's how you join. There's a channel that has the links.
Yep, we got channels in the Discord that covers Zoom links. So yeah, go into that channel right there. It's under Zoom link. And my boy Magnus will send that out to you right before pre-London.
The boys are always cooking
Oh,
too.
good.
They're never late. I'm if anyone's late, I'm the late one typically. And wide open.
Yeah, right. Yeah, Mr. Mac, damn, all good, you know. Figure out the lessons within the losses, and that will give you your success, you know.
Oh yeah, this is good right here. This is what we want to see on Goldie. New 4-hour candle, right? Yeah, new 4-hour candle is opened. So now, so you see how we closed strong bullish, and you see how the daily's now maybe trying to come back up and move up after that bullish closure. So if you do re-break those highs and all that, and you get the closures that you're looking for, I think you got a decent move here. Mod attack. What up, Nors? Yeah, you know we do a little 1 minute, a little 1 minute, a little 1M time frame. Power hour here and there. Haven't traded power hour all week though. Do you recommend to trade with a prop firm or your own money? Well, I trade with both. I would recommend, I mean, there's pros and cons to both of them. So I think it just depends on where you're at and what your goals are. You know, where you're at financially, what your goals are maybe. I mean, you could be doing really well financially too and just not want to use that money and just take advantage of the funding companies, but then, you know, you gotta trade by their rules and all that good stuff. So yeah, you could trade by their rules, right, and make money, or you can trade by your rules. You know what I mean? So it's, you know, when you're trading by their rules though, when you lose big trades, you don't lose any money, right? But when you trade your money and you lose the big trades, you know, you lose your money. So that's the way I see it. I still trade both. I trade live funds and live funded funds and also combines too. So I trade a bit of a mix of them all.
Why not trade both, you know? Why not trade someone else's capital? I'm so down for that.
Can you pass it with our strategy? Well, our strategy could pass it. So then it's like, if you can stay disciplined to it and learn it, like some of these guys, then yeah, you could probably pass it. I mean, I've passed a couple this year so far as well. All these guys and girls are passing, so I don't see any reason that you shouldn't be able to. Yeah. All right, let's see this. So yeah, so this is perfect. We're gonna reject off of here, which is nice. 4 hour looks like the bottom wick is in place, and now let's see if we can come up. So now we just gotta wait for our setup here, and looking good, looking good. Oh yeah, PJ, looking forward to it, man. Looking forward to it. Pablo passed his. Let's go, Pablo. Let's go.
W Pablo.
Oh yeah, I'm on Zoom. Yeah, I'm on both. I'm on YouTube and Zoom right now. So Zoom is over here too. So I got another chat here. Yeah, see this whole chat right here. Oh, they're chatting away in this chat today. Chat
Looking
away,
at both
chat
chats.
away. So I'm reading both chats, yeah. Every day I read both chats. Are we looking for a long on gold? I am, yeah. Yeah, I am. This would be really nice. So like there's probably one or two ways I'm gonna go about my buys here if we do take them. So one would be, you know, if we get this closure, then I'll take a buy. And I think the other one would be, let's say we don't close bullish, but we close bearish, but at least it closes above the range, like maybe something like this. Then I'm down. If I have to take the entry up here, then I'm just gonna call it a day. But if you get something like that, on the next candle, I'd love to participate here on a buy, on the break of that high there to come up. How does one join the clubhouse for the London sesh? We have a little channel in Zoom, in our Discord. So once you actually join the clubhouse, you get access to this whole, this section right here. Boom. So in here you have Zoom links. So that's where all the Zoom links are set out, like for the sessions. You've got the chat room here. You've got like a charts for stream here, stream schedule, any announcements that need to go out. Yeah, stuff like that. Webinars. We got a bunch of webinars that we've got recorded in there. Yeah, any webinar requests. Oh yeah, by the way, anyone in the clubhouse, keep in mind this channel here. If you guys have any requests that you guys want to go over, any topics that you feel like can help you or help anyone else, post it in the webinar request channel, and then we'll get to it. Yeah, we got a few in here now, but if there's anything else, let me know. And this is the stream schedule for those of you guys that are asking about the live streams in the clubhouse. This is the schedule right here. So if you want to take a little screenshot of that and have it for later. Show them the WAP. Should we show them the WAP? We'll just show the webinar section, because I know a lot of you guys were asking about the webinar. So for those that were asking like what we cover in the webinars, it's all different stuff. So yeah, we talk about, you know, technicals, trade management. This was a bigger one, kind of off trading a little bit, just strictly about goal setting, successful, you know, habits of the successful, things like this, trade reviews. We did a monthly review of November. We did a teaching on the fade and the inverted celery, kind of like the updated ideas of it, Q&As, yearly recap, which I think was awesome this year. So a lot of stuff. The importance of journaling your trades, and I think that was a big webinar too. The inner game, Rafi did this webinar, the inner game, the mental edge system, and he's working through, I should say, a 12-week kind of mental performance. What would you even program, right? Basically program. Yeah, it's like a legitimate program. The
It's something
clubbing's
that
clubbing.
I go through with a lot of traders that I worked in the past and a lot of athletes. Obviously, for traders, there are some things that have been adjusted, so it makes sense, but it's something that has been tested and a lot of guys have been going through, so yeah.
More of a mindset, mental framework type of awareness, which is key. You know, awareness is key in trading, also key in life and business and all that. So it's very, very important. Are they, do I have a course? The course is in the club. It's going to be in the clubhouse. Yeah. Yeah. Do they have Jerome here? Oh, I forgot about these stories. What were we looking at when I first started trading gold, right? I think it was somewhere over here. This is GA. See, I was trading a totally different style. I was using the Fibonacci. We wanted to see gold though, didn't we? Goldie, goldie, goldie. Yeah, here it is. So 194 weeks ago. It's been all gold so far this week. So this is when I first started to trade gold. First started. I was probably trading gold at this point for 2 months. But yeah, as you can see, gold started ringing up and started looking good. The fibby fibbing. Yeah, but this one I first started really trading gold. This was back in where's the date? 2021. Yep. 2021, taking little $100 trades. At that point, I was kind of starting to cook though, as you see, like it was taking over my P&L at that point. It was all gold for the whole week, pretty much. All right, setting up. Playbook 3.0. Holy. Yeah, probably soon. Maybe like midway through the year. Because I'm also working on some things like with stop losses and trying to sample size a few things there. So I'll cook for like another couple months and then we'll redo one. News coming up. Do we have news? I didn't know we had news coming up here.
What do we got? Orange folder at 10:30.
Yo, why is
Crude oil
Tuesday?
inventories. Shouldn't have too much of an
Oh, we got
effect.
some crude oil. But that should bring volume in here. Yeah, it's starting to set up nice though. So just gotta wait. So wow. What a move there. Do I have a course? I made one for the clubhouse. Yeah, I made one for the clubhouse. So I'm just finishing up like a couple more videos there. But yeah, it's basically just a breakdown of like everything in like little incremental 6-minute videos. So it should be fire. Pretty easy to pay attention to, take notes on, stop and pause, all that. I hate going through a course and the videos are like 30 minutes long. And it's like you don't know where to stop and start back from. So at least if they're like, I figured I'd make them 6-7 minutes. That way you know, hey, I'll study 5 videos here today or whatever the case is. No, we didn't. We're gonna put the course in once everything's in WAP. So we're uploading it onto WAP. So we're not gonna put it in the Discord. You'll have access to it just straight through WAP. I'm gonna binge watch like Game of Thrones. Yep.
Bruh.
3-hour courses. Yeah, this ain't a 3-hour course, man. This is one that you'll be able to go through, refresh, and you'll remember, hey, I really want to like look back at that video of the inverted celery, and now you know you can go there and you're only gonna sit there for like 7 minutes, right, and digest information versus like my playbook video on YouTube is like 40 something minutes, you know, but that's covering like a lot more than just one little concept. Whoppy wop. Let's make it like an ICT watch party. Yeah. What's up with them TTE traders, bro? They're everywhere. That's so funny.
Oh, bro, we're so blessed.
WAP is almost done. We're almost done. So all that stuff that's in the Discord, we're in the process of transferring all that over to WAP. So we'll still have the Discord and all that, but now you guys will be able to go like watch it in a nice clean format. Yeah, it's nice.
Nick, bro, we got ourselves another beautiful day here today.
What shall we do with it, my friend?
I don't know, right, bro? It's an outdoor activity.
Yeah, I'm with it.
Definitely. So. Yeah, court's about to be fire. Can't wait.
Alright, cool. My bad. I had to type like a whole paragraph here. Boom. Alright, cool. Oh yeah, that's what I wanted to do. That's what I wanted to do. I wanted to check on Mr. Jerome here. Oh yeah, he is speaking here live. Yoda. Not a chance this guy's an actual human being. Not a chance. I was gonna say this dude has not blinked once, but then he blinked. Oh man. YouTube. Yeah, so basically I'm pretty sure he's gonna read a pre-prepared speech and then start to take questions. So I don't think we really need to listen to Yoda. I think we could follow price. I think we're smart enough to just follow price action here, right? Wow, look at that. Look at that. The way you framed him. Yeah. Alright, we'll stick around a few more minutes, and if we catch it, we catch it. If not, then it's on to tomorrow, my friends. No need to try and force anything. It might happen a little later too, the move, especially on NQ. AI bot in the back. NPC. Just locked my accounts out. W. Green day. Perfect, man. Yeah, I'm green here on the day too, so there's no point in trying to do anything if it's not there. So I'm gonna wait here for this closure, see how we do on that, and then if we got something, I'll take it. If not, probably lock it up and. Tuesday? Oh, I didn't know Tuesday was. Yeah. What up, Brad? All right, Legrand. See you later, brother. Have a great day, man. I'll see you in London. Who's coming to London tomorrow? Anyone? Who's coming to London? We ready. I can't wait for London again. Hey, do we have a record on London yet? Have we collected all that? Because we're definitely lights out here in London. I think we've maybe lost like 2 or 3 trades. Yeah. What up, Dan? Oh, Dan, the squad's coming to London. Squad's coming. You're the only one missing. Yeah. Later, Segan. We had a good talk today in London, too. We usually do. What we looking like today? 76 right now. Let's get it.
We're just out, dude.
I'm not even gonna open the whole thing up. That's just not right.
Yeah, don't do that.
Yeah, I'm
it's
not.
like low key a pool day. It's gonna be in the 80s, bro.
Might have to go
After
swimming
one.
today.
Right? Back to the pool.
Dun, 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 dun.
Yeah, have you gone to the beach yet, Johnny?
Nah, not yet. Probably in a couple weeks though.
Man, you've been saying that since last year.
I went last year. I just haven't been since last year.
Okay.
I think me and my girl will go down there maybe next month or in a couple weeks.
How far are
It's
you
the
from the beach?
The beach is right by us. It's less than an hour. It's like 45 minutes. So not bad. I mean,
Sound like.
little beach day.
Let me see drive.
Yeah, just a late little drive.
Yeah.
Maybe Nick will come too.
Yeah, you got invited this time, Nick.
Let's
Yeah,
go.
Nick, you coming, bro?
You got invited.
Get it.
I invited
About
him
time.
finally.
About time.
Last year, he's like, yeah, we got hockey game tickets.
Yeah, that's hilarious.
I'm invited everywhere this year.
It's funny.
Can I live stream London sometime? Yeah. Sometime we'll do it. Yeah, I think we've live streamed London and YouTube maybe 4 or 5 times.
Oh, it's the wave, Goldie.
It's the wave. "24-hour stream? Another one. Another one. Maybe at 50K. Yeah, at 50K we'll definitely do a 24-hour stream. 50K, we'll do 24 hours. Let's do it. Let's do it. All right, 4 hour coming back up, 1 hour coming back up, 30-minute coming back up, 15-minute a little choppy, but I like the 30, the 1 hour looks here, so we'll see. Closures are happening in about 1 minute. May I ask another question? Of course, brother, of course. This week? Maybe not this week. This week I'm moving and stuff, so I'm gonna be a little busy this weekend. Yeah, we already
Are
do
you
a
planning to
24-hour
move
stream.
this weekend?
Yeah, like I got a bunch of stuff, but I got movers coming on Friday to take like some big heavy stuff, and that's the day I'm gonna move my setup and all that too.
Nice.
Yeah. The setup is moving. Buys on NQ? I'm looking for sells more so. Until, you see how that 1 hour never really closed above the range? 4 hours still pretty bearish here today. So, yeah, I need a break and retest maybe. I don't really like the buys that much here. But Goldie on the other hand, starting to actually look pretty good. So I'm going to place a buy stop on here on the 1 hour time frame. Buy stop. What is this? And it's going to be on the break of those highs there. So very break of the previous 30-minute highs as well. Pretty much exactly what we planned out, right? Kind of got that 4 hour to make a low, 1 hour coming up here now too. 30-minute re-break. You got a nice rejection off the 30 there. So if we re-break the high, it should be good.
Where do you like your stops at?
Stops, I'll probably keep current candle because if we re-break the low, we might fill the wick. You know what I mean? We might stay
Candle,
down.
which candle?
The current candle. Current 30 candle.
The 1 hour? The 1 hour?
Nah. Current 30.
The 30-minute. Okay.
Yeah. 1 hour is a little too steep for me.
Facts.
95 pips. Yeah.
Dude, that's what I was thinking too.
Yeah, so we'll see. And if not, like if this 30 keeps driving down here, that's cool. Right? We'll just wait for support somewhere lower. Any idea why our charts look different? You're probably using OANDA or XAUUSD, and I'm using the GC chart. So I'm using the futures chart. Yeah, that's probably why. Alright, cool. So we'll see if we can continue making our way up here. You got that wick to fill, which could be pretty good. 1 hour now flipping bullish. So we'll see what happens at the 1 hour wick fill. Yeah, my stops are going to go below the 30-minute candle here. So if we start breaking that low, I'm going to get out. Is this Raja's strategy? Yes, very similar. Very, very similar. So I learned most of this from Raja, and then, you know, just basically had my own chart time to kind of clean it all up. By the book, yeah. Yeah, I like to trade by the book. That way, like, anytime I take a loss, I could be okay with it. You know, it's never a stupid loss or like a breaking my plan type of loss. It's always going to be a playbook setup. So we may have trouble here just due to the 15-minute time frame, but the 1 hour looks good. The 4 hour looks pretty good to continue moving. So we'll see. Am I in? Yeah, I'm in. I got in on the break of the high there. Yeah, Raja, I'm a market fluidity student. Proud market fluidity student. Uh-oh, it's hookah time. Hookah time, hookah time. What about buys on NQ? I don't really like buys on NQ. Price could move up here, but I'm still waiting on resistance here, I think. Yeah, maybe like a break and retest. But yeah, I don't really like the buys here on NQ.
Gotta wait for resistance.
Yeah. Gold should make its way up though, so we'll see. You got your 4-hour wick in place and all that, so. Stop loss and TP. So stop loss below the lows. I think I'll probably take a contract off at the wick fill. I'm going to kind of scale out of this trade if we go into profits. So I'll probably take like some off right at the 1 hour, 4-hour wick fill, and then, you know, let the rest of it run. Playbook setup. This is like a 1 hour breakout, 30-minute inverted celery type of play, you know, to kind of come up and fill that wick and then see if the rest of it can continue running. It's kind of like a 15 onion too there. How often do I trim my beard? Damn, I don't know. I'm not too sure, to be honest. Whenever I look in the mirror and I go, damn, I need to trim that real quick.
Let me see my calendar. Every 26 hours.
Imagine. Yeah, so if you're going to pull back from anywhere, it's most likely going to be here because we're in that resistance area. So the idea here is if we can push through, right, and kind of close above, that will be amazing, right, for the next candle to potentially continue running up. So we'll see if that can happen. I didn't want to wait for a breakout here because everything we planned has already kind of showed up, so that's why I'm in.
Feel you too. The 1 hour looks solid.
Yeah.
As well as the 4 hour.
Yeah, we should be good. The only issue could be our stops, right? Because they, compared to the 1 hour, right? 1 hour could still come back down there and not be an issue. So we'll see. What chart is it? GCJ 25. GCJ 25. Stops? My stops are below the 30-minute candle. Right here. You think it can come up to 31? Because if it, I could pass my challenge. Hey, maybe. 31 up here? Yeah, I mean, if the 4 hour really wants to take off, then yeah, I could see 41. Oh, wait, you said 41 or 31? Yeah, I could see 31. Yeah, that would just be the 4 hour continuing on up, which it seems like it would love to. So you got like 31 right here.
I can see like 35.
Yeah. Close that break even. All right, good. Still time to enter. I think the best time to enter would be if you get a closure above here. Right, if you get a nice closure above, that's a good time to enter because now you got bullish closure, your bullish daily, bullish 4 hour, you know, all that. So yeah, I think that would be the best time. Dum, dum, dum. The ranges are massive today.
Yeah, they are. For
They're
real.
huge. Like we're already up like 27 pips.
Ranges are massive.
Yeah, I would wait. I would wait for a closure. You get a closure above, that's going to add way more confirmation. Dum, dum. Yeah, I'll probably go break even here because we're struggling a little bit. I'll probably take one contract here too. So take one. Yeah, I'm just gonna go break even here. I'm not gonna close anything. So we'll see if my partials can get hit with that wick fill. All right, fine. I'll take a partial. Dun dun. Stops are at break even for me. Yeah, we're just waiting to see if we could take off here. Sell limit. All right, yeah, so I hit a little bit, just about break even, maybe a pip or two in profit, but yeah, we're struggling there. So I think the next best bet is to just kind of wait for a closure. Yeah, just wait for a close. We want to see the volume right off the break of that high. So while we're playing around in this resistance area, yeah, I think break even's not too bad. $27 actually. It's a win. Put it in the win column. Yeah, for sure, Sergio. Yeah, so I'll probably call it there. Maybe I'll wait in the clubhouse for like an actual closure above and then give that a second chance. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with the break even there and struggling at resistance. So above that, you got a pretty clean range though, 47 pips. So I'll probably be waiting on that now. To the clubhouse. Yeah. Cool. All right, gang. Hey, great day. What time is it? 10:40. Yeah, you guys enjoy the rest of your day here. We'll be back tomorrow. What's tomorrow? Thursday? Yeah, 2 more days and we're into the weekend here. So 2 more days of work. So let's stay on our P's and Q's. We'll come back tomorrow and we'll get to do this all over again. Cool. Sweet. Alright, man. Y'all be good. Rafi.
Alright, chat.
Johnny Gems. See you when you get back. Yes, sir. See y'all in the clubby. Chat. Y'all have a great day, alright? Yeah. Peace. Later, Gators. Alright. Peace.
I need peace. I need love. I need everything that's coming from above. I need peace. I need love. I need everything that's coming from above. I want my dog. Ay, birds of a feather, we gon' fly together. Ay, we gon' rock forever like it's heavy metal. I ain't Christopher Columbus, I would never settle. I ain't Lewis, I ain't Clark, I would never settle. God told me I'm Olympic, for real. Ay, seek the kingdom while you simping, for real. Why you talking, you should listen, for real. All this jaywalking got me limping, for real. Hey, jaywalking, hey, Jesus walking, hey, Jesus talking. Yo, big faith, yeah, I need a whole lot of that way, where I'm about to go like amigo. Can't see the vision and you can't be me amigos. I call up my girl and then we pull up to the Rego. That's the only time we pay to see you acting way different. Way different. Same book, but the pay's different. The pay's different. Is it cliche to say I'm lane switching? Well, I'm lane switching. Hold on, let me put my turning signal on. So they see me coming. They still can't see me coming. Only 2 things that I need is peace. I need love. I need everything that's coming from above. I need peace. I need love. I need everything that's coming from up. They like, how he, who he, what is this? Hey, my studio is wherever I sit. Hey, I plug in the microphone and there you hear that click. Click, 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 click. It's a hit. Hey, Ayy, way hit him like, whoa, man. Ayy, make him do the uh-oh, man. Ayy, how you just came up with whoa, man? Flow electric, this is not a slow dance. Not a slow dance. We come together and we pray and hold hands. He give grace, so wherever grace lands. He paid the price, ain't have no escape plan. Yeah, no plan. Yeah, no plan. Actually, his plan was the plan, so he planned it. Ayy, set the bar high, he the code, so I scanned it. Ayy, we saving souls on the campus. Ayy, but this ain't no religion, we ain't following your antics. Ayy, thank you, Lord, I sit like a praying mantis. Enemy just tryna see me sink Titanic. Never out, but I'm outlanded. Even when I'm out, soon as I land. Back to the beach, back to the sand. Is back to the... Only two things that I need is peace. I need love. I need everything that's coming from above. I need peace. I need love. I need everything that's coming from above. Yeah. A2000 EST. That's that OCOE. It's a war in the city, it's a war outside. You spread lies, it's a war in the mind. Let your kingdom come, let it fall right now. Let your kingdom come, let it fall right now. In the same world, we don't fight the same way. I don't need the Glock, nah, I don't need the K. But I got a weapon that'll make it say grace. Power of the Lord, make him do the whole day. She mad that we went the right way. Winning out the logo, so hit the whole play. Tried to move the goalposts, we kicking out hate, kicking out pride. We kicking out the pain like Messi. He can't check me. Lucy tried to be friendly, we not besties. He tried to keep me on ice, that's too sketchy. Till I tapped in with Christ, now I'm Wayne Gretzky. Can't believe I thought so many times I was done. But you the type to lead a 99 for the one. Who knew all I needed was a sign from the sun? Who knew all I needed was a sign? Gotta tell them it's a war in the city, it's a war outside. You spread lies, it's a war in the mind. Let your kingdom come, let it fall right now. Let your kingdom come, let it fall right now. It's a war in the city, it's a war outside. You spread lies, it's a war in the mind. Let your kingdom come, let it fall right now. Let your kingdom come, let it fall right now. It's a war, yeah. It's a war, yeah. It's a war, yeah. It's a war, yeah. That's why I had to tell my sister and my brother. Devil, he be creeping undercover. He just wanted to go fight each other instead of fighting him. I can't let the old me win. Lucy want me falling into sin, so I'm in the gym. Took the heart away like Tim. Put my heart away, not again. Watch me cut the habits that I had for 20 years off. Gotta guard the gates, watching what I'm letting in. Watching what I listen to, watching what I see. I don't wanna hear a dog if he ain't planting seed. Trying to see the fruit and cutting out the weed. Live a good life on earth, what we be. Can't believe I thought so many times I was done. But you the type to lead a 99 for the one. Who knew all I needed was a sign from the sun? Who knew all I needed was a sign? Gotta tell them it's a war in the city, it's a war outside. You spread lies, it's a war in the mind. Let your kingdom come, let it fall right now. Let your kingdom come, let it fall right now. It's a war in the city, it's a war outside. You spread lies, it's a war in the mind. Let your kingdom come, let it fall right now. Let your kingdom come, let it fall right now. It's a war, yeah. It's a war, yeah. It's a